Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Bye and bye. I'm trading the 5 p.m. candle right now live. So I want to show you how to trade the 5 p.m. candle. It's 4 minutes past 5 p.m. and nimeenda buys. Ukiangalia vizuri candle ya saa 10 ni hii hapa, and then the first 1 minute candle of saa 11 ikaprint ikaform low ikiwa imetoa the low of saa 10, and then after imeitoa I was supposed to enter buys here but sikuwa kwa chart. Nimekuja kwa chart 1704 and immediately after I saw that nika enter buys. And now market will have to buy till tomorrow. Sai gold imeingia into buy mode and it will keep buying until tomorrow. So I will post the video. This is how I trade the 5 p.m. candle. Yeah, market will have to buy mpaka kesho. As you can see, market iko in sync. Yeah, see, and then market is buying. Market will have to buy. Print the first 1 minute candle of 5 p.m., which is the distribution phase of the London session, forming the low, and then market enter into a buy mode. Market will just have to buy. Don't panic. It won't check out this low. It can check out that low. It won't check out that low. Yeah. It will just keep buying till tomorrow. Today's date 25th March. Come to the charts, go to the 25th March and 2026 and confirm after your 5 p.m. candle imeclose. Ili close bullish ama ili close bearish. Market gonna have to buy. Yeah, market is on a strong buy mode right now. Very strong buy mode. It's not checking out this low. I will just add another buy there, because I'm pretty sure market is not checking out this low. It won't check it out. Watch the market playing out. Just watch the market playing out right now. Mnaona, I told you it won't break out this low here. And now market is buying. Can you see that, guys? Can you see that? I told you it won't check out this low. So market is buying. Market is definitely buying. It's not doing anything else. It has to break out there and keep buying. So I don't want to hold this video for long. So I will just cut the video and you can come up later in the chat and see how the market did the 5 p.m. candle. It must be leo ya 25th March. Kuja enda uangalie, ukikuja kwa hii video late, you'll find market bot. Sawa, you'll just find the market bot.